Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove tags from your video using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor app on my mobile phone and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. And since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. And then you can add a video you want to remove the tags from. And wait, I'm going to choose video from one of my albums in my gallery. Okay, for example, this one guys. I'm going to try to remove tags from this video. Okay, we can click on next to add the video to our project. Okay, and as you can see, this is the tags I want to remove from my video. Okay, and to remove tags, we need to duplicate our video. We can click on our video like this, and then we can tap on duplicate, and we're going to make it as an overlay. So I'm going to select PIP track. Okay, and tap on the second video and select fit to fit the screen. Okay, and we're going to remove this tags using mask. So you can go to the mask menu on VN, and here I'm going to choose, for example, rectangle mask, and then you can adjust the size of the mask like this, and you can take another part of your video to cover the text. Okay, I'm just going to click on I'm just going to select this part and click on the check mark, and then you're going to drag the mask like this to cover the text. All right, and to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the adjustment. To access the adjustment, you can go to filter and select adjust, and here I'm going to adjust the brightness just a little bit to make it looks more natural. Okay, I think it's perfect, and click on the check mark. But if you're still not satisfied with the result, you can keep adjusting until you get the most natural look. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove text from a video using a VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.